An old Model T9 lost in the wild. These friendly flyers are normally employed for packet delivery. This particular one strayed off by accident and has been roaming the wild ever since. While it flies around, it notices wildlife and adjusts its flight behavior to blend in. The algorithms that instruct the aerial explorer are based on data collected through autonomous research. The beginning of the 21st century marked the sudden rise of autonomous flying robots. Back then, no one really knew how birds would cope with these uninvited guests. At the same time, algorithms known as deep neural networks were maturing. These algorithms would allow computers to figure stuff out by themselves. But in order for them to work really well, they needed lots of data. So if humans wanted the deep neural networks to figure out how flying robots could peacefully share the skies with birds, they would have to provide it with lots of data on the subject. This was the driving force behind the development of autonomous methods in wildlife research. One of the pioneering researchers was developed in the year 2016. A food source was placed somewhere. A camera pointed at the food would detect incoming birds, and as a response, a flying robot would take off and fly a standardized path. This research setup was scalable and autonomous, which meant it could easily be repeated all over the world. Over time, this would provide the data that neural networks could use to make sense of animal-robot interactions. This takes us back to our little drone. Still lost in the wild, but, as we know now, at peace with its surroundings.